Welcome to my workshop. Today, I will tell you how to make this beautiful and very simple Valentine's card. To make it, we will need a square of paper. Fold it in half, turn it around and fold in half again. This way we are marking the lines we need. And now fold it diagonally. We need the diagonal line to be bent this way. So this is the workpiece we get. Now let's start shaping our heart. Fold the workpiece diagonally and draw a piece of heart between the bends, like this. Now let's cut it out. This is what you should get. Again, fold the workpiece, this time in half. Draw out the heart and cut it out again. Fold it again. Draw out a piece of heart near the bend. And cut it out. And that's pretty much it. The card is ready. Now we only need to decorate it a bit. I took some purple paper, measured the square of my Valentine's card, and cut out a square that's half a centimeter smaller. Let's glue it to our piece. Now we just need to make some hearts. I fold the purple paper and draw out the heart from the card like this. Using the contour I've got, I draw a heart half a centimeter smaller. And cut it out. That's how lovely it comes out. Now we need to duplicate this heart. I cut out 2 more hearts like this from my purple paper. And 1 more from the scrapbooking paper. Plus a little one for decoration. Now I glue them all in place. That's how cool it looks. Just a couple more hearts for decoration. Let's write a few messages inside. And the last stroke. I attach a ribbon using a glue gun. Tie it in a bow, and the Valentine's card is ready. It's really, really nice. I just love folding and unfolding it again. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, hit like, and see you in my next videos.